everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing this really beautiful blue look, and I titled it Blue Flame because these shimmery shades are absolutely stunning, and when you see them in the sun, woo! Like seriously, if you haven't already, check out BeautyBay. Beautiful blue look today using the BeautyBay Retro Love eyeshadow palette, and I can't wait to do more looks with this palette. This is absolutely stunning. Also, the shirt I'm wearing is from Shein, so I kind of did a look to match it. Profusion eyeshadow primer with the Hard Candy Chilling Wonder powder under the eyes to catch fallout, which BeautyBay really doesn't have fallout. It's just I always do it as a precaution. So in the palette I'm taking It Takes Two, which is a cross between a dark navy blue and a dark kind of indigo violet shade. So this shade here worked really well for outer corner, and it will also work really well for blue and purple looks alike, because I've done a pink purpley look using this shade too. Not on camera, but absolutely stunning. So on a stubby like crease brush, I am going to pat that in the outer corner. Next up, I'm taking Blue Suede, and I'm going to take that on the inner portion of the crease. I'm pretty much taking this on a fluffy shader brush or a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to blend it into the crease only halfway. So the first part of the lid there, or crease I mean. And Magic Moment, it's a slightly darker blue than this, and I'm going to apply this on the rest of the crease. Now, I've noticed with my BeautyBay palettes, I usually cannot do the crease first before the outer corner shade because they kind of just don't blend. And I've had to learn how to use them because they are so very pigmented, and that is just like a flaw that on my part. So, you know, I apply my outer corner shade first now, and then my crease on top. So I kind of go in a different order from my normal regular tutorials, seems like. But I'm going to add more shade back into the crease. I'm going to blend the outer corner with those, and this shade here is absolutely stunning. It's called River Deep, and I'm going to apply that on the lid, on a large portion of the lid. I'm going to leave just a little bit blank, and I'm going to apply another shimmery shade. And this shade that's next, this is like a blue, green, goldeny like shimmery shade. It's absolutely stunning. This one's called Moon River, and see, it is darker there, and once that's applied next to the other shimmery shade and blend in, they blend seamlessly. By the way, it blends very nicely into the outer corner as well. It just takes the look up a notch because you have this like three-dimensional shimmer happening on your lid. It's gorgeous. And of course I'm using the matte white in the palette as the highlight. I'm going to be picking up more crease color or shade, whatever you want to call it, and blending that into the crease. Now once I have that, I'm going to wipe away that powder, and you can see I had no fallout there. This shade here is the shimmery white from the palette, and I'm going to apply this in the inner corner, and I'm going to be applying a combination of the matte shades that I use in the crease. AOA Studio Lash Adhesive Ioni lashes in Natural Dull Light, and that footage is gone, so here they are applied. And once I have that, I'm going to take WetnWild's Breakup eyeliner to tightline with, and then I'm going to take the LaColors Gel Neon eyeliner in Wonder, which goes perfect with this look, and Hard Candy's Volumizing Mascara from the Marilyn Monroe collection. I'm going to apply a layer of that. And then for lips, this is from Shein, and it's like a shimmer velvet formula lipstick. I think it's called like Down Under or Hidden Under or some strange name like that, but it's just a nude lip. That is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely love it. It's absolutely stunning. When I was outside that day, it was really sunny, picking Connor up from school, I could not stop looking at my eyes in the mirror. They were gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. We'll try to look out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more BeautyBay makeup tutorials. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards out for additional links as well as the product list. And I thank you so very much for watching.